Just thought I'd share this awesome Florida storm with you. We have a great nature's show with lots of thunder and lightning and rain. So just thought I'd share it with you because I love thunderstorms. And I can't get enough of it. Wow, that was a juicy lightning. We should get a decent thunder out of that. Let's see what happens. Lots and lots of lightning. That's kind of rare to have so many lightnings every few seconds. It's actually kind of scary being out here right now. But I love it. We're getting quite the show right now. Located in Central Florida. Big giant storm coming through. Awesome. I love it. Woo! That was nice. Yeah! That was gorgeous. Hey, maybe we'll even get a tornado. Wouldn't that be something? I'll go out in style. Super Shiro flying around in circles with Toto and the cows. Quite the lightning and thunder show tonight. It's about, I don't know, about 12:30 a.m. This is Thursday night. I did a live stream today from my, oh my gosh, from my CC Rose account. It was so awesome seeing you guys on the live stream. That was so awesome. I can't sleep tonight. That happens a lot. I just thought I'd share this with you because I've been enjoying this storm so much. Let me tell you, if the lightning hits really close, I'll be out of here. Right now the lightnings seem to be about a mile away. Woo! That was huge. It's getting a little creepy out here. Woo! Looks like the storm might be getting a little bit closer. I had a lightning hit so close the other day. Not the other day, probably about a month ago, I guess. We had to go outside to see if our roof was on fire. I mean, it was right here, and it rattled my nerves. I really thought we got hit. It was really scary. It was such a loud sound. That lightning was really horrific. So I love lightning when it's far away. So here's our little outside light there. It's raining, lots of rain, lots of lightning, big giant storm coming through. Awesome. Woo! I was just hoping while I was out here maybe something really spectacular would happen for you. We just got this repetitive light show, which, like I said, is very rare. You know, we'll get a thunderstorm, but and the occasional lightning and thunder. But this is like rolling thunder after thunder and lightning after lightning, which really tells you the magnitude of the storm. These lightnings are really impressive. Really, really impressive. That last really big one that came through, I don't know if you could hear it. I have my arm leaning against the doorway here, and it was trembling the house. I mean, I could feel it in the wall, against the wall. Really powerful. But I'll tell you what, if I'm having trouble sleeping, this is the way to not get sleep, because this storm is really awesome. I just love it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like storms like this? This would be a great time to play some Black Ops. Woo! Wow. Whoa, that was a doozy. Let's see how long it takes to get that thunder. Seems like it's about 5 miles away. I was counting. So I don't know if it's moving toward us or what. I hope you can hear those rumbles. I really hope you can hear it, because I came out here to share this with you. In case you're one of those people that really loves a good, juicy thunderstorm. I got one going on right here. We don't have much wind, which is the reason why I could stand out here. The rain is going straight down, which is wonderful. If it was one of those wild, windy storms, I'd have to be inside and I'd miss out on this whole thing. But this lightning show is really incredible. I wish I had a better view. We're not getting to the lightning. Must be like right, like behind us, because we've only seen one decent lightning. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. We had a little bit of lightning there in front of us. I hope you were able to see that lightning streak. It went straight up from the tree line. That was impressive, man. I hope you were able to see it. Maybe the storm is coming closer. Isn't that weird? I want the storm to come closer. I mean, what's going to happen, right? Here we are, still standing after a million hurricanes. I mean, whatever. There's even, you can't see it, but there's a slight kind of a reddish pink hue, a reddish pink hue, right grazing the top of my tree line here. But you won't be able to see it on here, but it is kind of a peculiar color. because it's, you know, it's pitch black, nighttime. I wouldn't imagine we'd be seeing any type of colors right now. We just got a big lightning overhead that streaked across that you could not see. That was pretty cool. I wish I was pointing the camera that way. You would have gotten a real... I'm going to point it upward now and see, just in case if you get a decent view of another good lightning strike. Woo! There you go! Congratulations! I can't believe I had my camera pointed up there. You saw it. That was an awesome thing. It went all the way, totally across the skyline right above us. And I'm glad I pointed upward, because I would have been so sad if I would have missed that. But I have no idea where the lightnings are going to come from, you know. I have no idea where they're going to happen. How would I know? I'm only Super Shiro. Well, I guess I better go back inside. And just so I share this with you. Listen to that. Like, it sounds like 4th of July. Like, that is so loud. That's horrendously loud here. I hope this camera's picking up on it. I mean, those thunders are massive. Massive clobbering thunders. Wow, there's a hairline lightning streak. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe if you pause the video, you might be able to catch that. But it was very skinny little lightning vine that went across right in front of the viewfinder here. Well, you guys, I guess I'll see you around. Hopefully I can stream again. Woo! Oh wow! Oh, that was awesome. Ooh, that was really great. Let's see how long it takes to hear it. Ooh. Oh my god. That's right here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm starting to get scared. Okay, it's definitely coming this way. That was about 1 or 2 miles away. And the last one that I checked was about 5 miles away. The last time I checked a few minutes ago. So this is getting interesting. We may even lose power or something. I don't know. This may be the last time I see this little light for a while. That was really impressive. That was huge. But that was like really close. Like I literally have my hand on the doorknob. Like I'm ready to run inside. I'm ready to go inside. And it's quiet right now. Check it out. The calm before the storm. Here it comes. We're getting something big. That was nothing. Come on. I want to see something. Come on. Blow me away. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going inside. That was too much. Oh crap. It's about 3 miles away. Oh wow. Oh wow. That lightning was really terrific. It actually... Wow. Well, it seems like that was wow, a nice grand finale to the video. And I guess I'll go back inside where it is safe, because it looks like the storm is closing in on us, and I'm glad that lightning is streaking across the sky and not coming straight down. No telling where lightning's gonna go, so I'm just saying. That's insane. Give us one more doozy. Is that too much to ask? Maybe I'm getting greedy. Because that last one, that thing was unbelievable. I was impressed with that. I was impressed with that. That was amazing. I can't believe I got it on. I can't believe I recorded that. Oh, it's cooking up a good juicy one for us, let me tell you. It's got to be cooking up something awesome right now. We haven't had a lightning for a few seconds. Woo! Ah, that was mediocre. Let me see the ref. Come on. Is that all you got? Is that all you got? Come on. Come on. Let me see more. I want more. I always want more. always want more. More. Oh, that was nice. We didn't see it. Oh, listen. That was within a mile. That was right here, right around here. And I'm so glad I didn't hear that giant sound right here where we're standing. Oh my God. Ooh, this is really getting scary. That was juicy. Thank you. Thank you for that. I don't know who I'm thanking, but thank you to the cosmos for that spectacular outro there. We hadn't had a fabulous gigantic lightning for probably a solid minute. Let me see if we get a real treat. Let me see. I hate to shut this down. I hate to shut it down. I know the juiciest one is yet to come. Come on, baby. Make me run into the house. Scare the bejesus out of me. Scare the bejesus out of me. Getting a little quiet, which is kind of creepy. Kind of creepy it's so quiet right now. So quiet. Some rumbles in the distance. It's like I'm hearing a thunder, but I didn't see the lightning that goes with the thunder, so that's kind of peculiar. You hear that? We have a lawn pond. So we got some toads here, and they are loving this storm. Alright, well, me and the toads are going to sign off now. And see you guys soon. Bye-bye.